Struggling to find legit online biochemistry courses that count? Many pre-med and post-bac students struggle with the same thing. They need prerequisite courses for medical or graduate school, but can't find online options that are accredited, affordable, and accepted. Does this sound familiar? You're not alone. Get the credits you need without sacrificing your schedule. Doane University's Open Learning Academy offers credit-bearing courses built for post-bac students who want to move fast, study online, and stay in control of their timeline. Here's what you'll get: 100% online format, no campus visits, no application, and no scheduling headaches. Accredited and transferable. We're recognized by most med and grad schools. Credit-bearing courses. Earn credits that actually count. Choose 8-week, 5-week, and 16-week terms in accelerated or self-paced options. Instructor access and small class sizes. You're never alone while learning online. We have no textbook fees, but lab fees may apply. We have 24/7 tutoring services with live tutoring sessions in over 200 subjects. If you're ready to enroll, start your journey today by going online at web.doane.edu/openlearning or give us a call or text at 402-467-9000.